Welcome back to my channel. Each question and answer will be read slowly and then at normal speed. Listen carefully and do it again. You can turn on subtitles if you wish. Let's start.
Is it better to stay at home on holidays or go somewhere else?
I like to travel somewhere special on holidays because that is the only time I have off.
What are some holidays celebrated all across the world?
There are many days that are becoming more common to celebrate all across the world.
What's your favorite holiday memory?
On Mother's Day, my brothers and I baked a cake for my mom. That is my favorite memory of a special day.
Do you have any special family traditions around a holiday?
When I was young, the children in my family would put on a nativity play for the adults on Christmas.
What was the best fireworks display that you've ever seen?
When the clock strikes 12 on New Year's Eve, many fireworks go off.
What's the best gift you've received for a holiday?
When I was young, my dad got me a small radio as gift for summer vacation.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas because I get to spend time with my family and receive presents.
What is the strangest holiday you've heard of?
I love going to the beach for a holiday. I enjoy swimming in the ocean and playing on the sand. At the beach, we eat lots of ice cream and enjoy playing volleyball or other games.
What holiday food do you like?
Recently, I saw a video about people who like to be alone for their holiday. They stay at home to relax or complete work they are busy with. We can also call that a staycation.
Do you think holidays are too commercialized?
During the Easter holiday, I like to eat hot cross buns. It's a bun with a cross on top and raisins inside. It's great to eat with butter.
What's on TV during holidays?
Some holidays, like Christmas, are too commercialized, meaning that companies are only using the holiday to market their products.
Is there a religious holiday that is special to you?
There are many kinds holiday movies. For example, during Christmas we traditionally watch movies with a Christmas theme, or during Valentine's Day we see romantic movies.
Do you think holidays are important?
I especially enjoy Christmas, but also like Easter because it allows me to reflect and think about my life and religion.
On which holiday do people decorate their houses?
Some popular holidays to decorate houses are Christmas, Thanksgiving, and even though it's not a holiday, Halloween. People like putting up decorations to celebrate those special days.
Is there a holiday connected to a person?
The majority of religious holidays in Western culture are connected to Jesus, but there are some other special days that are connected to a person. For example, St. Patrick's Day.
Do you ever visit relatives for a holiday?
Relatives are extended family. If possible, I like to have my whole family together to spend time together.
What is your favorite season and why?
I love summer because I enjoy swimming at the beach.
Does winter get very cold in your country? What do you wear?
It doesn't get too cold. I only need to wear a sweater during winter.
What area in your country has the best weather?
I live in South Korea and the southern part of the country is closer to the equator, which means that the weather is slightly warmer.
Does your country have weather disasters such as tornadoes or typhoons?
Our country periodically gets hit with typhoons during the rainy season. When that happens, we stay indoors to keep safe.
Describe the weather in your country.
We have 4 distinct seasons. It's hot in summer, cold in winter, cherry blossoms bloom during spring, and people enjoy hiking when the leaves come down in fall.
Why is it important to know the weather forecast?
It is important to know what weather to expect in order to know what clothes to wear and to plan for future events.
Do you think the weather is changing? Have you heard of global warming?
Many scientists believe that the Earth is getting warmer, which is dangerous for our planet.
How does weather impact your emotions?
When it rains on a cool day, I feel like staying home. Warm weather excites me, so I want to be outside more.
If you could control the weather, what would you do?
I would give farmers rain when they needed it so that they can harvest more food for the people.
What type of weather do you like the most?
I love sunny and warm weather because I can play outside without wearing too much clothing.
What do you do on rainy days?
On rainy days, I stay inside and play card games with my family.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. What is your favorite summer memory?
When I was young, we would go to my grandmother's house near the beach. We would stay at her home and swim at the beach daily. That is my favorite summer memory.
The sun can be dangerous. How can we protect ourselves from harsh sunlight?
We can apply sunscreen on our skin and wear sunglasses for UV protection.
What does it mean to be under the weather? If you don't know, guess.
It means that I don't feel very well. I feel sick or sad, so I am not feeling my best.
Have you ever worn the wrong clothes for the weather? Or have you forgotten an umbrella at home and it started to rain?
I went outside without my jacket and it became cold. I have gone outside without an umbrella and it started to rain.
Has the weather ever made you cancel your plans?
A friend and I planned to go on a trip, but the day before we checked the weather to see that rain was expected. Following the weather report, we postponed our travel plan.
What is the hottest temperature you've ever experienced?
The hottest temperature I have experienced was around 40 degrees Celsius during a heat wave. Because of the heat, we stayed home and switched on the air conditioning full blast.
During which month does your country get the most rain? Take a guess.
My country gets the most rain during September.
Have you ever seen snow? What activities can people do in snow?
Yes, I have seen snow. If it snows enough, you can ski, build a snowman, or have a snowball fight with friends.
What is the last thing you've bought?
The last thing I bought is the shirt I am wearing right now.
What is your favorite brand?
My favorite clothing brand is Adidas.
How do you feel about online shopping?
I prefer online shopping because it is convenient and sometimes cheaper than the store price.
Have you ever bought something only to regret it later?
Yes, I bought some shoes that I hardly ever wear. I regret buying them.
Who does the shopping at your home? How often do they go shopping?
My mom usually does the grocery shopping. She goes shopping once a week.
If you had $1,000, what would you buy?
I would use the money to have a big party with my friends.
In general, why do women enjoy shopping more than men?
It could be because women enjoy showing off or looking for new things to buy.
A bargain hunter is someone who loves to find sales or discounts. Are you a bargain hunter?
Yes, I love searching for the best item at the lowest price.
Shoplifting is when someone steals from a shop. How do shops prevent this from happening?
In most stores, there is some kind of security like video cameras, and on clothing there is a magnetic seal that you have to remove before leaving the store.
Where is a good place to go shopping in your city?
In the center of my city, there is an area with lots of shops to buy from. That is the best place to go shopping.
What is your favorite shop?
My favorite shop is a clothing store called Uniqlo. I like it because the style of the clothes is simple but made from quality material.
What do you buy at least once a week?
At least once a week, I go to a cafe and order a cafe latte.
If you opened your own shop, what would you sell?
I would sell electronics such as computers and other gadgets.
What groceries do you buy at the supermarket?
I buy meat, rice, vegetables, milk, and eggs. I use the groceries to cook food.
What is the most expensive thing you have ever bought?
My car is the most expensive thing I have bought, followed by my laptop.
Do you prefer shopping alone or with friends?
I prefer shopping with friends so I can ask their opinion before buying something.
Your birthday is tomorrow. What gift would you like to receive?
I would like to receive something practical like a new belt or cologne.